May 12, Keys, West Virginia. Blake Jacobs provided Frankfort's impetus for a championship. Cam Lynch and Jacob Nething signified its culmination. Jacobs' solo shot 2 batters into the game set the tone. On consecutive pitches in the 7th, Lynch doubled to left center field and Nething hit it to the same spot over the fence, both plating 2 runs, to erase all doubt. Frankfort was the better team on Saturday between those moments too, and the 10-1 rout of arch-rival Keys netted the Falcons their first Class AA, Region I, Section 2 championship in 3 years. All year long I've been telling our guys, we're a good team, Frankfort head coach Matt Miller said. We're going to handle our business. We had some rough patches along the way in a couple games, but we knew we were super talented. We knew we were good enough to win. And that's what we did. Keys, 18-5, was the region's #1 seed ahead of Frankfort and Fairmont Senior, the top squad in the other section and the Falcons' likely regional opponent, after a 16-3 regular season that included 13 straight wins at one juncture. However, the Golden Tornadoes' season ended after falling twice to Frankfort, 18-8, first dropping into the losers bracket with a 5-1 defeat to their Mineral County rival on Wednesday. Keys needed to beat Frankfort on Saturday and again Monday for the section crown, but Frankfort didn't let it get that far. Lonson Orndorff broke a 1-1 tie with an RBI single during a 3-run third inning, and with Lynch allowing just 1 run in 6 innings on the mound striking out 13, that was more than enough. The extra base hits by Lynch and Nething in the 7th were Frankfort's zenith, and 2 more insurance runs in the final frame on a wild pitch and a Gunnar Bradshaw single were just a cherry on top. Keys plated its lone run in the bottom of the 1st when Logan Roderick answered Jacobs' big fly with an RBI single, but the Golden Tornado were blanked over the final 6 frames and finished with just 6 base hits. Frankfort capitalized on their opportunities, and we didn't, Keys head coach Scott Rawbaugh said. Patrick Liller pitched good enough to win. We played defense good enough to win. When we had opportunities, we didn't score runs. Noah Broadwater accounted for a third of Keys' hits with a 2-for-2 day, including a double. In contrast, 4 Falcons finished with multiple hits. Orndorff was 2-for-4 with a triple, Jacobs ended 2-for-4 and scored 3 times, Lynch went 2-for-4 and drove in a pair, and Bradshaw was 2-for-4. Nething led the way with 3 runs batted in. Liller was dealt the loss, allowing 8 runs, 5 earned, on 9 hits with 6 strikeouts and 2 walks in 6 innings of work. Lucas Williamson came on in relief and gave up 2 runs in an inning. Jackson Hare pitched a scoreless 7th after Lynch hit his pitch count in recording the final out of the 6th, which was fittingly a strikeout.